Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 3rd, 2019, and we're planting the cold season crops out into the garden. So we've already dug the hole here, we put our compost in, and we're going to be putting the cabbage up here. So we're using the Epsima 533 plant town. And what we're doing is we're getting it all mixed up here, and we're taking the ground from back behind and mixing in with this to get everything all mixed up real good together so that it doesn't burn the root systems of the plants. And we're working in the rain because it's raining, and then it'll stop and then it'll rain again. Okay. So this one here is done, and we're trying something different this year. We did plant the broccoli already, and we did it the exact same way. The only thing that we did different is I used the EcoScraps 555 all-purpose plant food, and I'll have links down in the description for the plant food that we used. And we're trying something new this year. We put black plastic down, so we're going to see how this works. So we'll be back. Okay, so the first thing that we do is we rough up the root system so that the roots do not continue to grow in a circle. And we also added oatmeal to the planting hole to give the plant more nutrients and to help conserve moisture. Now we do plant these down deeper. Here's the shovel. We made our little X's in the plastic here. Okay. And we do plant these down deeper than they were previously growing, and we do the same thing on the broccoli and cauliflower because they will send roots off. And we're just pulling the ground from around the sides, and we're just pushing it in around the plant stem.
Yeah, I don't want to pack it because it's wet.
Yeah, you don't want to pack it. You don't want to make it hard for your plants to grow, but you want to put it around the stem.
Good enough for
Yep.
you? Okay.
So we got all the cold season stuff planted. Now we did move the cold season crop this year for a crop rotation. We put it up further. We used to have it planted down lower, and we moved it up for this year. And when we planted the Brussels sprouts, which are right here, we added some Epsom salt into the planting hole along with the compost and the Epsima plant tone. So when you're finished planting them, go ahead and give them a nice watering. Now we're getting rain. We've been getting rain off and on today, so I was planting this stuff, helping to plant this stuff in my raincoat. So that's why I couldn't show more of the videos of planting this stuff. So as these continue to grow, I will come back with more videos and I will show them to you. Now we do have a fence up around here to try and keep the rabbits and the deer out, and we're going to have to do some more fencing to try and keep them out even more. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!